Namaste everybody, this is Kumari Akancharai. In Supreme Court of India, there is a landmark judgment named as Durga Dutt versus Union of India, a case which was heard by Supreme Court related to the enforcement of fundamental duties which was incorporated by recommendation of Swaran Singh Committee under Article 51A of Indian Constitution. But as we know that fundamental duties are neither enforceable nor justiciable. Why it is so? Because we know that as for the Hoffield theory, there is a right corollary, there is a duty. But that duty could not be enforced over each and every sections of the society. So there are lots of reasoning due to which these fundamental duties are not enforceable, as in the case of part 3rd of Indian Constitution, in case of fundamental rights. But in that case, the advocate appearing from the petitioner has claimed that fundamental duties should also be enforced in similar manner as the fundamental rights are enforceable and justiciable. But the court has agreed over the argument but rejected the contention, and it has also referred the several cases, for example Rangnath versus Union of India ka case and all. And court has said that there are lots of acts and enactments by the Union Parliament which shows that fundamental duties are enforceable, though it's not directly enforceable, but with the means of different acts, laws, enactments, statutes, these duties are enforceable. There are lots of recommendations, and recent ones of one was of 2000 when Justice Verma committee recommended the states or the government to take necessary step to make concise awareness among the citizen of nation regarding the fundamental duties. But it has not been same as it was recommended. But till now, fundamental duty is a moral duty in every citizen of India, and it should be a kind of obligation and accountability over each and every soldiers of this nation. It is not mandatorily to be enforceable, and it is enforceable in indirect manner. So we can't say that fundamental duties are not enforceable, though it's not enforceable directly as in the case of fundamental rights, but it is by means of different acts and laws. So it's a good judgment, one should refer it. I think it's very informative for you all guys. Thank you so much.